Hey guys, FirstinWeather here. Here's another winter update. This video will be about the PDO, and without further ado, let's get started. This image right here is of a cool phase PDO, and generally a cool phase PDO is described by above average water temperatures hugging the western coast of Mexico, and then also along this stretch of coast along western Canada, and then also the western United States. And then it's one of the biggest features of it is this almost horseshoe shape with below average water temperatures inside of it, and then this little horseshoe of above average water temperatures outside of it. And a warm PDO is basically the exact same thing. It's just that the below average and above average water temperatures are switched. So you have the above average water temperatures over here, and then you have the below average water temperatures over here in this kind of horseshoe shape. And what the PDO phase is in can have big impacts on our weather patterns, and it can also, and mainly, more importantly, it can have big impacts on our winter. So the next image is the current sea surface temperature anomaly chart or map of the entire globe or world right now. And as you can see, right now we don't really have a too well defined warm or cool phase PDO, but we do have some characteristics of a cool phase PDO. As you can see right here, we have this cool area of water right here hugging the western coast of Mexico, and I'm going to outline that for you real quick. So we have this area right here, then we have a cool stretch of water kind of hugging the coast right here, and then we also have a generally cooler and below average area of water temperatures right over here. And then as you can see, we have a well-defined area of above average temperatures right over here. And so that is an indication that we are moving into a cool phase PDO. The main question is how drastic this change will be. Will it be a slightly cool phase PDO, or will it be a very strong cool phase PDO? And interestingly, a couple of years ago, we were actually in a very strong PDO. I think it was a few years ago where we had this just very powerful warm phase PDO, and it just caused this big trough in the east and this big ridge in the west. And so this will be interesting to see how this PDO interacts with the chance of a weak La Nina this winter, and how that reacts with the potential for a negative NAO this winter. It will be interesting to see how much this will impact our forecast for the United States. Now, so if we look at this chart right here, this is of February 2015, and as you can see, we have a warm phase PDO with cooler than average water temperatures here, and this horseshoe of above average water temperatures. And generally, a warm phase PDO promotes cooler than average temperatures in the eastern United States and warmer than average temperatures in the western United States. And if we go to this next image, a cool phase PDO promotes below average temperatures in the west and above average temperatures in the east. And so for future winter forecasts, which will be in the next couple of weeks, I'll be looking at all of these factors: the weak La Nina potential, the cool phase PDO potential, the negative NAO potential, the easterly QBO potential, all of those factors, even the AMO. And so just because we're going to see a weak La Nina or a cool phase PDO, that does not mean we're set to have a warmer than average winter in the east. Yes, that does raise our chances of seeing a warmer than average winter, but again, there are many other factors that can influence our winter. And just to name a few, we have the QBO, the AMO, the NAO, and then also we're heading into a solar minimum this year or in the next couple of years. And that also, while it's not scientifically proven, many people do think it has an impact on global temperatures. And so that is also something I'll be looking at. So the main point of this video was just to make a PDO forecast. Again, I'm going with a cool phase PDO. If we switch back to this anomaly chart again, things are starting to look more and more well defined. Just a couple of months ago, we had very disorganized waters of the in the central and eastern Pacific. We had patches of warm and cold water just scattered around everywhere. Now it's starting to get a little more well defined. So that is something I'll be monitoring closely. Make sure to update you on future videos, but as of now, it's looking pretty likely that we're going to see a cool PDO phase this winter. So that's it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and have a great day, and I'll see you next time.